In this video I want to show how the 3-pole transistor filter, audio filter and preamplifier with 3 sound characteristics sounds in real. I found a piece of music from Alex Berosa, Impression on Friday, and this was music that I can use in this video. Here you see the filter. Here we create a sound with a big hum, dark sounds enter the second transistor, and the high sounds come from the input through this capacitor also to the second transistor, and here we set the amplification. I want to demonstrate the sound now. This is the CD player that I've bought from Xeron. Bought it yesterday. This is the second sound characteristic, and after that I will switch to the third. So I hope it was audible how this preamplifier sounds in practice, and I realize that it's a very strange circuit with this very big capacitor here, but all that this capacitor do is add the low part of the frequency spectrum to the second transistor. This is the preamplifier. This is the end amplifier. Completely made in a classical way, with approximately 1% distortion.